I am very happy and impressed with the quality of this hose reel. This is not something I knew I needed until I had it, but having your garden hose automatically rolled up and kept nice and neat and tidy is definitely a game changer. It's really easy to install. It includes some hardware that you can use, but basically it's just 4 screws, and then it has this handle that you can use to kind of lift it up into place, and then you stick this plastic dowel through the hinge, and then it'll actually even swing and swivel on that hinge in the direction that you need it to. We installed ours pretty close to our spigot, but it has a really nice length of hose leading into the reel, which means that you can install it up to 6 or so feet away from your closest spigot. It's a 65-foot hose, so you could pull it out really far, but it also comes in a 100-foot hose if you have a really big yard. It comes with 2 hose nozzles that have a bunch of different spraying functions. The 9 functions are soaker, cone, jet, center, mist, angle, shower, flat, and rinse. And then the other hose nozzle just sprays 1 stream of water that you can adjust to be a powerful, strong stream or more of a wide cone, which is handy for more than just watering plants, but also for cleaning. It wouldn't replace a power washer, but there's still a lot you can get done with the powerful stream that both of these hose nozzles can create. When you pull the hose out of the reel, it will lock into place, and then it'll automatically start pulling back on the hose if you pull it forward just a little bit to unlock it, and then it'll start retracting back. This hose reel is well made and very handy to have in the yard, so I can highly recommend it.